Hi there, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I transform this wig from this right here to this which you see. If you want to see how I do it, please keep on watching and thumbs up this video. Let's get into it. I'm going to start with my hair clips and comb. I'm going to use the end of that comb to section off the upper part of the hair and clip away one side of the upper part of this wig, and I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side of this wig because we're going to proceed first with styling this hair. I'm taking off the upper part to allow me moisturize the bottom part using my Moroccan argan oil serum. I'm going to apply it to the bottom part of the hair. Next, I'm going to spray my heat protectant spray. I have reviews on the products that I use on my YouTube channel. The best heat protectant spray, argan oil serum, hair serums for your hair extensions. Check out my hair playlist. I'm using my hair straightener right now to straighten the hair. I'm working with very small section, and when I get to the end, I bulb it on the inside to allow me achieve a bulb look. I noticed that not everybody likes that straight blonde cut look. That's one thing I noticed. There was one of my my favorite aunt said that when she sees that blonde cut straight hair, that it looks like they're like needles face sharp needles facing down, needle pin, it looks like something sharp. So I started to bulb this hair because I remembered what she said about straight hair. While I bulb the hair, I use my clipper to take off the any of the uneven ends to help me level the bottom part of this wig, and I continue the process of styling this wig into a bulb. Yes. Next, I'm going to move over to a small section, spray my heat protectant spray, and proceed with straightening the hair and bulbing it on the bottom part. I'm working with very small sections to ensure that I achieve the best look that I can on this blonde unit. And this wig right here is made with 2 bundles of super double jointed Vietnamese hair and a 2x4 closure. It is available for sale. If you want to purchase this wig from my hair business at ENL Beauty Hair on Instagram, on TikTok, on my websites, you can send me a DM on Instagram or even on TikTok, or you could also reach out via my website or just order on my website, and I'll ship this wig to you anywhere you are in the world. So I'm going to straighten the hair, and when I get towards the end, I'm going to bulb it inwards, facing the direction of my neck, of course. Keep on straightening the hair, working in small sections until I achieve the desired look that I'm going for, which is a very smooth, sleek bob look. Now the thing with blonde hair is, especially when the blonde hair is sourced from Asia, because Asians typically have black hair. To achieve a blonde hair color, the hair is going to be bleached to be this light. It's not like when you can't compare Asian blonde hair to blonde hair that you get from, let's say, a Russian blonde hair, that the hair comes naturally like a blonde or like a honey blonde to brownish color. With the Asian blonde hair, they need to bleach the hair. So this blonde hair right here is processed because it was bleached to achieve this blonde color. When you have hair that is like this, blonde hair, it's from Asia, it's not from Russia, you need to ensure that you moisturize the hair. That's the reason why I ensure that I applied my hair moisturizer, which is the Moroccan argan oil serum, to the hair, and I used my heat protectant spray to minimize heat damage, because of course this hair has already been heavily processed to get it to be this light. So I need to ensure that I protect the hair to ensure that it still lasts. My prospective client, is going to buy this wig a very long time before she maybe gives it away or decides to stop using it. Yeah. So you can see that I keep on working in small sections. I go line by line. I spray my heat protectant spray after I've applied my Moroccan argan oil serum to the hair, and I use my Cloud9 hair straightener to straighten the hair, and then I bulb it inwards towards my neck at the bottom part of that strand I'm holding. Those strands rather. Yeah. I'll keep repeating the same process until I complete it, because with doing hair, patience is a virtue. If I thought I spent almost 2 hours styling this hair, you probably wouldn't believe me, right? Yes. It takes a lot of time. You might be seeing just 11 minutes in the video, but doing what I'm doing in this particular video, strand by strand, it takes time. If I wanted to be very fast, I'll probably be straightening like 2 or 3 lines together. But because I really wanted to take my time to ensure that I achieve the perfect straight, bold, voluminous, bouncy look that we are going to end up achieving, that's the reason why I took my time to do the hair like this. So if you're somebody who probably is thinking about delving into the hair business, or you want to start styling hair for people, if you're not very patient, it's not something that is easy. I enjoy doing hair. That's the reason why I do it. Yeah. So keep straightening the hair, and when you get towards the end, you bulb it in. Bulb it in. I'm still going to go back and work on the other side separately. Please, if you're not following my business page on Instagram at ENL Beauty Hair, please kindly head over to Instagram, search for ENL Beauty Hair, and follow my business page on Instagram. Please also engage with my post. I would really appreciate it. I would really, really appreciate it. You can also follow me on my personal page at Linda Izemidolo. I share short tutorials on how I make these units. So if you're somebody who doesn't like to watch like the full 11-minute video, you could get a short 1 minute video that shows you everything that I did in the full video. Yeah. So straighten the hair, bob it in, and proceed to the next part of the hair. You will notice that while I'm straightening this hair, I'm literally putting pressure on the hair straightener to ensure that I really press the hair inside. That's in between the two plates of the hair straightener. That is going to help me ensure that the heat on the hair straightener really gets into each of the strands and it gets it to be as straight as it possibly can. And when I get to the bottom part, I sort of bend it inwards and I proceed to work on another part of the hair. I apply my Moroccan argan oil serum, spray the heat protectant spray, come through the hair, and I straighten it with my hair straightener. This is what I have left right now, this last chunk of hair. I've applied my argan oil serum and sprayed my heat protectant spray all over the hair. I'm going to start taking small sections of the hair and straightening it. If you're getting value from these videos so far, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, like this video, and also share with somebody who you feel is also going to get value out of this video, and subscribe to my channel also. When you buy your straight hairs from your hair vendors, and if you buy hair from me as your prospective hair vendor, make sure you take time to store your wigs well. Let's say you've styled your hair, you worn it, you come back. You cannot just dump your wig anyhow and expect it to keep looking nice. Make sure you take your time in terms of investing in things that you use in storing your wig. If it's probably like a wig stand, if it's probably like a wig box, any of all those storage things you can use in keeping your wig well, make sure you invest in something that you can use to store your wigs well, because how you store your wig matters in terms of how it maintains the style that it's in, and how the texture of the hair remains intact. Let's say you keep your wig in an open place where air can touch it, dust can touch it, it's obviously going to get dirty or dusty a lot faster, unlike when you put your wig in a ziploc bag or a wig bag or a wig box. And if you put your wig in a wig box, it also means that when you bring it out you might need to style it. So it's just you knowing the key things. But with the videos I share, you should see how I style my wigs and also know how to style yours. On the closure area, you can see I just kept on taking small sections of the hair, straightening it, and for the flyaway hairs, I apply my hair wax to lay the flyaway hairs, and I keep straightening with the hair straightener. And to really lay the flyaway hairs well with heat, I use my hot coiling wand and I apply pressure on the closure area, and I go back to my clipper to just smoothing out the bottom part of the wig to ensure that it's even on the bottom part. I'm going to keep on repeating the process of putting pressure on the hair on the closure area with the hot coiling wand all over until it's beautiful. And this is the wig right now. It's very beautiful, it's bouncy, it's voluminous, it's wow, it's really beautiful. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and share this video with somebody who's also going to enjoy it. Be bold, have courage, live a positive life. Bye.